apple that has blending with white and also heavy pressure. In the last one lang po, I only use blending with white.
Okay. Okay, very good, Ate Ja. So now, before we go to our lesson pala, so pick your most favorite artwork from the three, and then we're gonna take a picture, okay? Asan ba dun yung pinaka-favorite nyo? You choose what's your most favorite. Okay, and then you open your cameras because teacher's gonna take a picture. Okay, so that's what you show to the camera, Kuya Jael. Open your cameras. Okay, what about the others? Kindly open your cameras, everybody. Kuya Gab, Ate Jamie, Ate Yesha, Kuya Sean. Okay? Okay, Ate.
Wala po camera ko po.
Ay, oo
Wala
nga. It's okay, Ate Yesha. Okay, how about Ate JB? Okay, baka wala pa dun sa ano. Okay, so let's now take a picture. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile! Wait lang, another one. 1, 2, 3, smile! Okay, very good, everybody. Did you like using oil pastels? Did you like? Okay, very good.
I like it.
Okay, very good. So today, we will still be using our oil pastel, okay? But for today, we will be having another lesson. So our lesson for today is all about silhouettes. Okay, just wait a minute, ha? Okay, can you see teacher's camera now? I mean presentation. Okay, very good. Okay, so does anyone have an idea what a silhouette is? Yes, Kuya Jacob?
A silhouette is the form of a shadow in a drawing. So the people or the inventors who made the term think that if shadows can appear in real life and drawings can appear in and anything can be drawn into drawings, the artists and inventors have created a silhouette, which means a shadow in a drawing. So they were thinking, if we put a shadow in a drawing, it's not called a shadow in a drawing. We call it a silhouette.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Kuya Jacob. Okay, so it is a shadow. Okay, so as you can see in here, the silhouette here is the person holding this heart sort of balloons. Okay, so itong person na to, yan yung silhouette. Okay, so a silhouette is a dark, solid representation of a subject set against a brighter background. So, dapat para maging silhouette siya, it should be dark, just like this one. So, the subject is a couple in a boat and a mountain. So, as you can see, what's the color of our subject? What's the color? Black. Very good.
Black.
What about the birds and the trees here on top? What's the color?
Black. Black.
Black pa din. So, and then their background is really bright. So, their background is said to be really bright para makita natin yung shape and ma-identify natin kung ano yung shadow. Okay, have you ever tried posing for a camera that is against the light? Have you ever tried that? Okay, what happens to yourself? What happens? Can you still see the details in the image of yourself? Or hindi na?
No.
Hindi na. Nagiging silhouette na siya. Okay, so, who wants to read the following? Yes, Kuya Julian?
A silhouette. A silhouette it enables our designers to create bold, distinctive forms that will easily distinguish a character or creature from others. The objective of crafting a powerful and intriguing silhouette is to ensure it can be readily identified by players in a video game or viewers of a movie, even from a distance.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Kuya Julian. Okay, Ate Hani also here. Ate Hani have an example here. Saan mo yan ginawa, Ate Hani?
So someone came and teach us how to make a sunset. So he gave us this. We had two.
Oh, okay. Very good, Ate Hani. So you didn't make that one. Okay, so for today, we will be making that one, okay? Okay, so a silhouette daw is created to be bold and black para ma-identify natin siya kaagad. Okay? Okay, so for this activity, kindly teacher's gonna turn off all of your microphones muna. Okay? Just a minute. Hindi ma-turn off yung microphone. Okay. So, teacher's gonna give you 5 minutes to copy one character that you like. Okay? Isang character lang. And then, lalagyan nyo din ng shadow. Magiging black din siya. And then, after 5 minutes, we will identify all of them. Okay? You may start drawing now. Okay, again, kukulayan siya ng color black because we will be making the silhouette. Yes, Kuya Sean, isang silhouette lang ng isang character. Yes, Ate Margo. Ate Margo. Okay, what you're gonna do is you're gonna choose one character and then draw the shadow of it. And you fill it with color black, okay? No. Yes, yes. We are. Good. Okay, Kuya Ocean, are you done with your shadow? Your silhouette? Okay, very good. Okay, 1 more minute. Okay, it's now 5 minutes. Okay, so let's now identify. Yes, you may go to the restroom. Okay, let's now identify these characters, okay? So you may open your microphone but don't shout your answers, okay? Hindi mag-shout ng answers, ha? And then, ika-isa lang isang beses lang mag-speak ng character name, hindi na uulit-ulitin. Okay, let's start with this one. Sino to?
Pikachu.
Pikachu. Very good.
Pikachu. Pikachu.
Mario.
Mario.
Kirby. Kirby.
Powerpuff
PBG.
Girls.
PBG.
Okay, very good.
Welcome and blossom.
Okay, who's the first character? The first character is
Pikachu.
Bubbles. No, here it's a Powerpuff Girls. It's Bubbles. The second girl,
Buttercup.
Buttercup. And the third girl,
Blossom.
Blossom. Very good. So those are some examples of our silhouette. Okay, here we also have silhouettes in the modern day age. We have NBA, Batman, Adidas, KFC, but that's actually a mascot, and then Puma. Okay, so let's see
Twitter.
here
Or
how
Twitter
to
X.
Okay, so how to do a silhouette. But we will not be using paint for today, okay? So, for today, we will be using, ano nga yung material natin for today?
Oil pastel. Oil
Okay.
pastel.
Okay, very good.
You need the best footage for your videos. Go to Motion Array to get unlimited footage shot by pro filmmakers.
Okay, can you see teacher's other presentation now? With the oil pastel and paper, can you see it now?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So now, kindly mute your microphones and we are gonna watch. Yes, you may go to the bathroom. And we are now gonna watch how to do a silhouette. Okay, guys, kindly stop spamming with the emojis, okay? Okay, teacher will now play it. So wag muna mag-start, maggawa. Mag-watch muna tayo paano gawin ang silhouette, okay? Okay. So, that is how to do a silhouette painting. Okay, so, based on your observation, paano magawa ng silhouette painting? I mean, artwork. What's the first thing to do? Yes, Kuya Mo?
Background. Color the background.
Okay, very good. Color the background. After coloring the background, what are we gonna do? Yes, Kuya
Scrub it with
Julian?
tissue paper. Scrub it with tissue paper. And
Okay.
lay out
Scrub
the
it.
silhouette.
You were gonna blend it by scrubbing it with a tissue paper or adding a bit of oil on it. So, after that, what do we do? Yes, Kuya Julian?
Draw the thing that you want.
Okay, draw the thing that you want or the silhouette and color it with color black. Okay? So that is how to do a silhouette artwork. Okay, but we're gonna use oil pastel only, okay? But before we go do that, let's have a break time muna, okay? So teacher's gonna give you until 10:20 a.m. for break time, okay? So, Ate Charen, the scarlet color is another color talaga yan siya, but we will not be using those colors for today. So, simple lang yung gagawin natin. We're only gonna use the red, orange, and yellow colors for today, okay? You may have your snacks now. Yes, it is now break time. If you have questions, kindly put it here in our chat box, okay? Unsay naakaroon sa kuan dito sa Capitol. Karon naman ang araw jud dito, no? Mm. Naay ticket ang kadtong sa unya na concert dito. Wala ka kaon. Andali. Ay, murag. Ang laging
Nawala daw sila.
Hmm?
Yun ang inabot.
Break time. Story sa last week. Ano ba ito? Sabi sa last.
Nawala sila.
Okay.
Ano? Ano? Bakit naman?
Oh, yeah. Ano yun? Deliberations.
Kailangan ko dyan. Saan yung auto na muslim?
Okay, everybody. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, so we will now go back to class, okay? Did you have your break time already? Tapos na ba? Okay, very
Opo.
good. Very good. Yes, Kuya Gab?
Sure, yung sa example na colors po, igagamit namin.
Hindi, Kuya. Yung gagamitin lang natin is red, orange, and yellow.
Sure, wala po akong orange. Yung meron lang po ako, red and yellow.
Okay, so you're just gonna mix, diba, red and yellow equals to orange man. Okay, so you're gonna mix the two colors to get orange, okay? Okay, so for now, for our activity, we will be making this one, but we're gonna make it a sunset. Okay? Okay, so get your paper and your oil pastel now. And teacher will show you how to make silhouette drawing. Okay, this is what we will be making today, okay? Okay, are you guys ready? Okay, very good. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is add color red on top. About 1/3. 1/3. Okay, wait lang, wait lang. Okay, the size of the paper should be just about half of a whole paper, okay? Pwede nyo i-fold, pwede nyo ding lagyan ng rectangle in the center, okay? Kuya mo, parang notebook size ba yung drawing book mo?
Book size po.
Book size, okay. Pwedeng lang, maglagay ka na lang ng rectangle in the center, okay? Yung rectangle is pa-portrait, okay? The orientation of the rectangle is portrait. Yes, Ate Jazz, just like that. Yes, Ate Jaren? Very good, Ate Denise. Very good, Kuya Mo. Okay, are you done with the red part? Okay, very good, Kuya Julian. 1/3 lang siya ha, 1/3. Okay, not yet. Okay, it's okay. Kuya Jaren, ano yung question? Ay, Ate Jaren, what's your question, Ate Jaren? Ate Jaren? What's your question, Ate? Okay, so after the color red, so we're now gonna add the second color, which is, second color is color orange. Yes, Ate Honey, just like that. Yes, Ate Yumi. Okay, is everybody done with the color orange now? Okay, very good. So after the color orange, what do you think is the next color we're gonna add?
Yellow.
Okay,
Yellow.
very good. We are now
Yellow.
going to add the color yellow. So add natin yung color yellow, pero bigyan pa din natin ng kaunting space sa baba. Okay? Pagkatapos natin malagyan ng color yellow, lagyan natin ng red on top of the yellow. Parang lines lang. And then on the orange and the red, lagyan natin ng yellow. Okay? Lines lang yan. Wala pa tayo sa blending ha. Nasa coloring pa tayo. It's much better to blend it with tissue, Ate Gia. Pero, later na lang, okay? Okay, it's much better to blend with tissue paper, Ate Gia. But later na mag-blend, okay? Lagyan mo na ng mga lines na ganyan, na different colors. Pagkatapos na lagyan na niyan, doon pa tayo mag-blend, okay? Smudge it with your tissue paper. Smudge it with heavy pressure talaga, okay? Hindi lightly pagka-smudge, heavy pressure talaga. Yes, Ate Winter? Ano, Ate Winter? Teacher didn't hear you. Parang there's something wrong with your microphone right now, Ate Winter. Teacher can't hear you. Wala ka talagang sounds, Ate Winter. Can you type it instead, Ate Winter? Okay, Ate Winter. Pag natapos na lagyan ng lines sa Ate Jaren. Okay, again. Red lines on top of the yellow. Yellow lines on top of the orange and the red. Okay? So after that, you can now blend it using your tissue paper. Okay? Again, when blending, dapat with heavy pressure talaga. Para mas-smudge talaga yung ating pastel.
Teacher, heavy pressure po ginagamit ko, teacher, pero hindi po siya naga-smudge.
Okay, so smudge mo lang talaga siya masyado, kuya. Like, parang ida-drag mo siya. Okay, but if it's okay, hindi, by the way, hindi to katulad ng pencil, crayons and ng pencil pagka-smudge, ha? Masasmudge siya, pero konting-konti lang. Okay? Hindi talaga yung totally magbe-blend. It's okay, it's okay. Yes, Ate Margo?
Can I have this one?
Yes, you can also use oil for blending. Okay, Ate Chelsea, you may now start blending. Yes, Ate Yesha?
I can't make lines. I color it properly.
Oh, it's okay, it's okay.
Teacher,
Yes, Kuya?
what oil po, teacher?
Blending with oil if you want to. Pero pwede din namang smudging with tissue paper lang.
Di ba parang kung sunflower oil ba or baby oil?
Oh, depende sa what's available on you. Both are okay. You can use baby oil or sunflower oil.
Okay pa.
Basta wag lang yung kitchen oil, ha?
Teacher, magre-restart lang ako.
Bakit, Ate Jaren?
Nawawala po yung tunog.
Oh, you mean you're gonna restart, parang mag-out ka lang sa, sa Meet?
Opo.
Oh, it's okay, it's okay. Kaya pala hindi mo narinig si teacher kanina. Teacher is calling you kanina. Okay, try logging out and then log in ka na lang ulit, okay?
Opo.
Yes, Ate Jazz?
Ano pang kind of oil?
Pwedeng sunflower oil or baby oil. Okay, so I think everybody's done with that part now. Okay, after blending, we're now gonna add to start. Ano nang i-add natin? After sa blending, ano nang i-add natin, guys? Wala, di na nila alam. We are now gonna add the
The
silhouette.
silhouette. The
Okay.
shadow.
Of course, the shadow. So, start tayo sa baba. So, sa parang lupa niya sa baba, okay? So, the platform sa baba is hindi siya dapat pantay. So, it's gonna be curvy and rocky.
Teacher, pencil po para magamit para sa color black po.
No, kuya. Pastel pa din na color black.
Okay po.
Huwag mo tabunan lahat ng color yellow, kuya, okay?
Teacher, I can't find my black.
Okay, hanapin mo muna, Ate Hanin. Okay, yes, Kuya Julian?
May I go to the bathroom po?
Yes, Kuya, sure.
Thank you po.
Okay, Ate Jarian, dapat wala ng white space in between yellow and black, okay? Very good, Ate Denise and Ate Margaret. Very good, Ate Aliyah. Very good, Kuya Julian. Okay, so after this, we are now gonna add our subject. Okay, so for this artwork, our subject will be a coconut. Okay? So first, gagawa tayo ng kanyang foundation. Okay? And we're gonna add parang 5 fingers to it or 5 sticks. Okay, very good, Ate Jared. Okay, so after that, lalagyan na natin ng details na leaves, okay? And each parang yung finger sort of niya. Okay, and that's it. We now have our tropical coconut tree silhouette artwork. Okay, teacher's gonna give you 5 minutes to finalize all of your artwork, okay? Idikit-dikit nyo yung dahon para maging same kay teacher, okay? Kasi pag hindi yan dikit-dikit, parang malnourished yung coconut nyo. Okay, very good. Okay, 3 more minutes. Okay, pag tapos na kayo sa coconut, pwede kayo mag-add ng other details in there. Okay, like, addan nyo ba ng birds? It's up to you, okay? Okay, once you're done, we'll just wait for the other classmates, okay? Pagka 10:45, mag-picture na tayo, okay? Okay, it's now 10:45 a.m. Kindly show your drawings to the camera and teacher will take a picture. Okay, everybody kindly open your cameras. Ate Jamie, Kuya Sean, Ate Elena, Kuya Elijah, Kuya Lucas, Ate Gianna, Kuya Liam and Kuya Sean, Kuya Elijah, Ate Jamie. Okay, Kuya Sean, Kuya Liam. Kuya Liam, open your camera, Kuya Liam. Okay, very good, everybody. Okay, teacher's gonna take a picture now, okay? 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, wow, very good. Okay, don't forget to take a picture of your artwork and send it to the group chat, okay? Your artwork right now. Very good, everybody. Okay, ang ganda-ganda ng outputs nyo. Very good. Okay, tomorrow, so for your assignment pala, your assignment is to create a silhouette painting with this lovebirds. Okay? That assignment. Okay? And then, tomorrow we will also be doing our painting, our watercolor painting. Okay? Did you enjoy our class for today? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Did you like your output?
Yes.
Okay,
Best
very
drawing.
good. Best drawing. No, very good. So, don't forget to take a picture of it and send it to teacher, okay? Okay. And that would be all for today. Bye-bye.
Teacher assistant.
Yes. Yes, ate. Assistant sa group chat.
Color silhouette. Okay,
Yes.
bye-bye, teacher.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye, teacher. Bye-bye, classmate.